morning, students. See the textbook, second standard textbook. All of you take this textbook. We completed these two chapters in this textbook. First one chapter. Let's find the shapes. One poem is given and you find out the different shapes of this poem. And this second one chapter, let's handle geometric shapes. In this second chapter, we studied here this cuboid, cylinder, cube, cone, oval and circle. Then in next one, this third chapter, fun with line. We have started this chapter, fun with line. In this chapter, today we are going to study here these lines, different type of these lines, horizontal line, vertical line, slanting line, and these curved lines. You see these one by one, these lines. First one, you draw here this horizontal line. Horizontal line. This horizontal line. Then a vertical line. Vertical line. See this vertical line. Then slanting line. Or slanting line. Slanting line. This one slanting line. This slanting lines. Then curved line. Curved lines. Curved lines. You see here these curved lines. Curved lines. Curved lines. Then this one also curved line. This one also curved line. Then in your notebook you draw these lines. First one horizontal line, this vertical slanting lines, and this one curved line. Then see here, next one in your textbook, page number 7, drawing lines and shapes using these objects. You draw this line and shapes by using the objects. Observe how a line can be drawn using a ruler. You see here one ruler, 15 centimeter ruler, this small ruler. And by using this ruler, you draw a line. Suppose you have this 8 centimeter line, then you start from the 0 and you draw here one line 8 centimeter, 0 to 8. Then second one question, see this point, draw lines using the objects shown below. Here different types of objects given. First one slate, second one tiffin box, third one book. By using these objects you draw the lines. You keep here this slate, then you draw the lines by using this object. Then next one, draw lines by moving your pencil along the edges of different objects as shown below. You draw lines by moving your pencil along the edges of these different objects. Edges means the sides of this different object. You see here this first one object means which thing here, this matchbox. Then you keep here matchbox. Then by using this pencil you draw here these lines, one line, again one, again one, again one. In this type you draw here lines. See here. Draw shapes by moving your pencil along the edges of different objects as shown in the pictures and observe the shapes. You see here first one is here cube, and by using this cube, by using this objects, and you draw here with pencil lines. Then second one, see here one ring, then you draw here one circle type of this shape. Then third one here bottle, then you keep here bottle and you draw this with pencil these edges of these things and you draw these lines. Here different types of objects given by using this pencil and you draw here different types of lines. Then next one here, use of curved and straight lines. You see here page number 8. Use of curved and straight lines. By using these curved and straight lines, here one rangoli is given. You see this in the rangoli below. Here trace the curved lines in blue and the straight lines in red. Here rangoli is given. In this rangoli you find out these curved lines and straight lines. Then which are these curved lines? Then you give here this blue color and the straight lines you give here this red color. You see here this here which are these straight lines. You see these straight lines, this one straight lines, here also straight line. Then this one, see in middle type of this rangoli, here curved lines. Then you give here this blue color, and where is straight lines, then you give here this red color. This activity all of you have textbooks, then you do this activity in home. Then next one here one question is given. Write the following letters in the correct columns. You write here letters, and in these letters which letters having only curved lines, then you write here. Letters having horizontal and vertical lines, you write here. And letters having only sloping lines, this also write here. This question write in your notebook. Write the following letters. Write the following letters in the correct column. In the correct column. So here letters. This letter W, then C, E, F, V, H and X. These letters. Then here given letters having only curved lines. Letters having only curved lines. In these letters, which letters having only curved lines, then you find out and write here these letters. Here only letter this C having these curved lines, then you write here C letter. Again, which curved lines? Letters having horizontal and vertical lines. Letters having horizontal and vertical lines. Third one column, letters having only sloping lines. Letters having only sloping lines. Sloping lines. You see here, first one, these letters having this W, which lines here? Sloping line. This one, first one, this X. Then here this sloping lines. Then second one here vertical. This horizontal and vertical lines. Horizontal as well as vertical lines. Then which letters having curved lines, which letters having horizontal and vertical lines, which letters having only sloping. You see here this horizontal and this one verticals. Then you write in this column these letters. Okay, in homework you complete this, then remaining part tomorrow. Okay, bye.